Good morning, students. Now see about the topic lesson 1. Okay, lesson 1 book back answer. Note it down. This lesson 1 is measurement. Are you clear the concept? I hope you are all topic are very well. Okay, first questions. Which one of the following system of units is the British system of unit? What are the which one of the following system of units is the British system of unit? First question answer is a FPS, that means foot pound second system. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer for FPS system. Okay, next question is electric current belongs to dash quantities. Okay, is a electric current belongs to dash quantities. Second question answer is electric current is what? Is a basic quantity. Okay, so the answer is A. Answer is A. This is a base quantities. Base means fundamental quantities. Okay. Okay. Next third question. SI unit of temperature is. SI unit of temperature is what? SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Are you know? Okay. C option Kelvin. Okay. Are you clear? Okay. Next fourth question. The amount of substance is what? The amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms. Okay, the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms. Okay, the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms. This is the amount of substance answer. Okay, next fifth one is the luminous intensity is the intensity of visible light. Visible light means C. Option C. This is a visible light. You know, the luminous intensity means what? The visible light. That means density of visible light. Okay, the light travels in vacuums is a very fast. Okay, so this is a visible light is the answer. Okay, next seventh one is a SI unit. Sixth one questions is a which one of the following device is used to measure electric current? Which one of the following device is used to measure electric current? So electric current measure பண்ணக்கூடிய unit device எது? is a ammeter. This is a option B is a answer. Okay, option B is the answer. Next is seventh question. SI unit stands for International System of Units. International System of Units. Option A is a correct answer. Okay, next eighth question. Closeness of two or more measured values is called as. Closeness of two or more measured values is called as what? Precision. Two or more measured values. Closeness of two or more measured values is called as precision. Okay, this is the right answer. Okay, next question. Ninth question is a quantities other than base quantities are called as. Quantities other than base quantities are called as is a derived quantities. Option B is a derived quantities. Okay, next 10th question. Which of the following is statements about the approximation is wrong? Which of the following statements about approximation is wrong? First A option paranga. Approximation gives an accurate value. Approximation simplifies the calculation. Approximation is very useful when little information is available. Approximation gives the nearest value only. இதில் எந்த options correct அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா approximations gives accurate value. So A option is correct answer. So the statement is correct. Which statement is correct? Is the approximations another 3 is correct, but A is wrong. Okay, approximation simplifies the calculation, simplify பண்றதுக்கு information related information produce பண்றதுக்கு useful information, அதே மாதிரி nearest values approximationனாலே approximate value தான். இந்த மூணுமே true value, but approximationங்கிறது wrongங்கிறது எது அப்படின்னா A option. Okay, question understand பண்ணிக்கோங்க. approximationங்கிறது wrong statement எதுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. approximation gives the accurate value தராது. Okay, is a wrong answer. Next second Roman letter, filling the blanks. Okay, first question answer note பண்ணிக்கிங்கப்பா எல்லாம். Okay, the solid angle is measured in, the solid angle is measured in dash what, stadian. The solid angle is measured in stadian. Okay, next second question answer is stadian. First question ke second question, dash recognize the need of standard units for physical quantities. Dash recognize the need of standard units for the physical quantities. Is a scientist. Okay, yaar recognize pananum, is a scientist. Okay, second question ke answer is scientist. Okay, third question, the coldness and hotness, coldness or hotness of the substance is expressed by what is the definition for temperature? So answer is temperature. Okay, fourth question answer is dash is used to measure electric current. Idu ammeter, ammeter is used to measure electric current. Okay, next fifth one is a dash of the substance contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms or molecules. So dash means amount of substance or mole of substance. Okay, இந்த இடத்துல amount of substance or mole of substance contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms or molecules. Okay, next sixth one, the luminous intensity is the amount of visible light. Luminous intensity is the amount of visible light that it emit in unit area, unit area per unit what, dash, another second. Answer is second. So the luminous intensity is the amount of visible light that is emitted in unit area per unit time. Next is seventh question answer is a quartz clock uses, quartz clocks uses dash oscillations, that means electronic oscillations. Answer is electronic. Are you clear? Okay, next eighth question, the uncertainty in measurement is called as, the uncertainty is measurement is called as error. The uncertainty in measurement is called as, answer is error. Okay, next ninth question, dash is the closeness of the measured value to the original value, that means accuracy. Answer is accuracy. 10th question, the intersection of two straight lines gives us, the intersection of two straight line gives us dash, that means plane angle. Answer is plane angle. Okay, next third Roman letter is a true or false. First question, the SI unit of the metric system of units, the SI units or metric system of units is a true or false? This is a answer is the SI units are is a metric system. Okay, is a answer is true. Okay, next question. Next question is the temperature is measurement. The temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy of the particle system. The total kinetic energy of the particle system. Okay, first question answer true. Okay, the SI system of units or metric system of units means true. Okay, next second question, the temperature is measured of total kinetic energy of the particles of the system means what, false. ஏன்னா the temperature is measure the total illa average kinetic energy, the mistake is total, not total, is the average kinetic energy of the particles of the system. Okay, next third question, in thermometers, first question true, second question false, correct statement is total க்கு பதிலா என்ன எழுதணும், average. Okay, next in thermometers, third question, in thermometer freezing point of water is taken as upper fixed point. This is a false. This question is also false statement. In thermometers is a boiling point. The correct statement for boiling point. The freezing point பதிலா என்ன எழுதணும்? It's a boiling point. Boiling point of water is taken as upper fixed point. Okay. Or எப்படி எழுதலாம் இல்லனா is a freezing point of the water is taken as a lower fixed point. ஒண்ணு freezing point மாத்தணும் இல்ல upper point மாத்தணும். Okay. This is a correct statement. Freezing point பதிலா boiling point மாத்திக்கோங்க. Okay. It's a correct answer. அப்போ is a third statement also false. Okay, next fourth one is 1 coulomb of charge following per unit for minute is called ampere. 1 coulomb of charge flowing per minute is called ampere. This is a false. Okay, minute க்கு பதிலா என்ன சொல்லணும்? Statement, correct statement for what is a second. Okay, is the fourth question also false. Okay, next fifth question, the amount of substance gives the number of particles present in the substance. The amount of substance gives the number of particles present in the substance. This is a true. Fifth one also true. Okay, next sixth one, the intensity of light from a candle. The intensity of light from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. This is a correct statement. Sixth one answer is true. Okay, next seventh one answer, the angle formed at the top of the cone is an example of plane angle. The angle formed at the top of the cone is an example of plane angle. Answer is true. Okay, seventh question answer is true. Next eighth question answer is a quartz clocks are used in GPS device. The quartz clocks are used in GPS device. This is a false statement. Eighth question is false. Quartz clock பதிலா correct statement is what? Quartz clock பதிலா என்ன எழுதணும்? Is a atomic clock. Okay, is a atomic clock. Okay, next is a candela. Ninth one is candela is used to express electric field intensity. Candela is used to express what? Electric field intensity. This is a wrong statement. The answer is false. Correct statement is electric field க்கு பதிலா என்ன சொல்லணும்? Is a luminous intensity. The candela is used to express luminous intensity. This is a correct expression. Okay, next the number 10th one, the number 4.582 can be round off. நம்ம problems எல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? அப்போ 4.582 can be round off as 4.58. Is that what? The correct statement is correct or wrong? Is that true? You know, 2 is a less than 5, so omit the number 2. So remaining value 4.58. So the 10th question answer is true. Okay, next is match the following. Match the following. First question is a temperature. First question is temperature. Temperature answer B answer. What? Measure of hotness or coldness. Temperature answer is measure of hotness or coldness. Okay, second question, plane angle. Plane angle means his answer is angle formed by the intersection of two planes. Intersection of two planes. Okay, plane angle answer is E. Second question answer E. Next is solid angle. Solid angle means what? Angle formed by intersection of 3 or more planes. Answer is D. Third question answer D. Next fourth question, accuracy. Accuracy means closeness to the actual value. Closeness to the actual value. So answer 4 is answer what? A. Okay, option A. Next precision. Precision means what? Is a closeness to 2 or more measurements. This is the answer C. Okay, this is a match the following answer. Temperature means what? Temperature is measure hotness or coldness. First question ka answer B. Second question ka answer E. Third question ka answer D. Fourth question ka answer A. Fifth question answer is C. Okay, next assertion and reason. Assertion and reason is the first question. The assertion means the SI system of units in the suitable system for measurement. Suitable system of measurement. Okay, is a reason. கொடுத்திருக்காங்க என்னது? The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay, answer is B. B means if both assertion and reasons are true, but reason is not correct, the explanation. Correct the explanation. இப்போ கரெக்ட் எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா the SI system of units are precisely defined and have the same value for everywhere. the values எப்படி இருக்கும் எல்லா இடத்துலையும் சேமாக இருக்கும். ஓகே, அதுதான் என்னது கரெக்ட் ரீசன். ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட்டு செகண்ட் கொஷின். ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷினுக்கு ஆன்சர் பி. ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷினுக்கு ஆன்சர் பி. அதனுடைய ரீசன் என்னவாக இருக்கணும்? இப்போ the SI system of units used for same value for everywhere. Okay, next is second question. Assertion: electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity are the fundamental quantities. Okay, fundamental physical quantities. Reason: they are independent of each other. Okay, answer is A. Answer is A. If both assertion and reasons are true and reason is the correct explanation for assertion. Okay, this is the rendume enadha true. Okay, next third one. Assertion: the seconds hands of clock is having the least count of 1 second. Okay, reason: least count is the maximum measurement that can be measured accurately by an instrument. Okay, the answer is C. C option என்னது? The assertion is true. Assertion வந்து true, but the reason is false. But the correct reason என்னது? Correct explanation: the least count is maximum கிடையாது, இந்த இடத்துல என்னது? is a minimum. Okay, is a minimum measurements that can be measured accurately by an instrument. Okay, next fourth question. Fourth question can answer: the Avogadro number. Assertion on the Avogadro numbers is the number of atoms in 1 mole of substance. Avogadro number is 1 mole of the substance. Okay, the reason Avogadro number is a constant. Avogadro's number is constant. Okay, answer is A. Answer is A. What? If both assertion and reasons are true and the reason is what? And the reason is correct explanation of assertion. Okay, next fifth question is assertion: radian is the unit of solid angle. Reason is 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc of the length equal to its radius. Option D. D means what? Is the assertion is false but the reason is true. Assertion false ஆ இருக்கு but reason என்னவா இருக்கு? true ஆ இருக்கு. அப்பனா என்னது? the radian is a unit of என்னது? is a plane angle, not solid angle. Are you clear? This is a 1 mark evaluation, students. Now நான் ஆன்சர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். இதை வந்து என்ன பண்ணுங்கள், வீட்டில் டெஸ்ட் எழுதி பாருங்கள். ஓகே, ஆர் யூ கிளியர்? ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.